Hey y'all, what's up family? If you new here, I appreciate you coming to my channel. My name is Ella Rain, and if you not, what's up? What's good? What's happening? I really missed y'all, and I'm here to bring y'all a tutorial, a hair tutorial, a lock tutorial, of course, on how I got my palm tree hairstyle. So if you want to see and you want to get the same hairstyle that I got on that thumbnail, sis, brother, man, stay tuned. All right, y'all. So I'm taking my hair out, of course. I'm sorry I look a little glossy because I just gotten off of work. Might be sweaty too, but hey, I'm trying to make these little videos, you feel me? So I oil my hair. I put, this is castor oil, almond oil, and a little bit of dew-grow to give it like a little cute smell, I guess. But yeah, that's all I put in my hair. So you get your tie. You're going to have your, try to get your ponytail to the top, to the most top part of your head if you can. So let's do that real quick. So these two locks in the front for me, they ain't able to be pulled like that. So I put those in later. So what you start doing is just taking the longer lock, taking one lock that's real long. It ain't really gotta be your longest lock just yet. Just the one that's closest to the bottom of your ponytail. And you just wrap that around. Wrap that ponytail around. I meant that lock around. Tuck that lock into the ponytail. And make sure that's tight. Now, you're going to take another lock the opposite way and do the same thing opposite way. All right. But you're going to tuck that lock into the lock that you just put into the ponytail holder. But make sure when you tucking these locks that they are tight as you going around. If you like that hair tutorial, let me know down in the comments. Like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend, and tell a friend. Tell a mother, tell a sister, tell your auntie, tell your whole family about me. But yeah, like, share, subscribe. Hit that bell for notifications every time that I upload. And I'll be back, family. Love, peace, chicken grease. Be at peace and not in pieces.